Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great. Such as great as I'm doing, because I just started giving workshops. Ta-da! I know, totally crazy. I always wanted to do that, and it finally happens that I'm giving workshops and making stuff. It's quite new, it's quite exciting, and I'm still very excited to give these workshops. But it's a great time. It's a great time. It's at the beginning, just at the beginning, so I just started. But yeah, I can't wait to show people, especially flinter person, to work with wood, with materials I found, and amazing. But a different thing, but doing these workshops brings us to my new project, because I got that from my mom. It's a so-called Moderationskoffer in German. The direct translation is moderation suitcase. It actually is a box with stuff you need when you're doing like moderation stuff in a in a pedagogy and social pedagogy way. So when you're working with groups and stuff like that, people of social pedagogy probably have seen those moderation suitcases. And yeah, I got it, and I think it's perfect for a box or for a suitcase for my workshop. So my project is to do this Moderationskoffer, the MK, to a workshop suitcase. So it's definitely about what do I need in my workshops and in my future workshops, and especially how can I organize it. And for that I kind of hope that I can turn my 3D printer on and use some boxes I kept for a while, because this MK workshop box, MKWSB, is going to be the best thing ever for every workshop ever. Okay guys, let's start with what I need in my workshops. Well, I know it does not look like much, and it is not much, so I think time after time I do realize how and what things I have to take with me to the workshops. And also I've got some placeholders like these drill bits or these screws. This thing here is like a placeholder for like any material, any tools I need when I go to the workshop, and this can change. I don't want to keep my good things to the workshop, so I'm trying to replace them.
Lately, you've been getting me down, baby. I'm just a thorn in your crown, thorn in your crown. Lately, you've been getting me down, getting me down.
So I got a few things which definitely can stay there in my MK WSB, but now it comes to the tricky part, well, or also fun part. I will have a look online if there is anything I can 3D print and use it in my MK, and then look for a system how to organize all the stuff in here. Okay, so I'm quite overwhelmed. I wanted to look for more tools I can use in my workshop case, but I just got too overwhelmed. I printed this square, the second piece for it is still printing, and I think square is fine. I don't know what tools I need in the workshops. I believe it just buy the square, but there's another thing I want to print. It's been in my Instagram and on my YouTube stuff for quite a while. It's a storage system. It's Gridfinity. And I hope that I can find the perfect sizes to get this base up with new boxes. Gridfinity means that you got a base. It looks like a bit like a net, something like that. You print this base. One square is 42 millimeters. You can adapt all these squares just so that it fits to your right size. And for those base, you got 1,000 print files for anything, because you can print boxes so that they can fit right perfectly into this base. And I want to try it out, just a simple base and then some simple boxes so that we've got more storage on our MK. I think I will never get this apart, but let us try it. It's a new day, and let me just show you what I found yesterday. I had these boxes in my box, in my box where I kept all my boxes. Just look at that. Isn't that perfect? And yes, next to the boxes still is some space left, but for that I printed the Gridfinity, and I think this might fit perfectly, but let us see. Oh damn, it's not a perfect print, but it's okay. It's okay. But I thought that with a 3D print it's getting closely to perfect. Yes, sure, but that's just the way it turns out. I mean, I'm a Schrotty, it's totally fine, but... Finally, the last 3D print for my project. One last step and then I will show you the end product. Okay guys, are you ready for the finale? Alright guys, my project is done. My Moderationskoffer workshop box, or as I named it, my MKWSB. I think what I most liked about the project was the crafting parts, like building this. This reminds me just of like crafting or building how I started with hot glue and some thin material. And it was fun, it was just fun doing this project. I tried out a bit of the 3D printing. I want to use the 3D printer more and more, but I'm kind of afraid to build my own stuff. So therefore I'm pretty thankful that people made those files and I can just use them. By the way, I put all the things I used, the links in my description. And I really like this box. I like it. I can't wait to have my workshops. What I like about it is that it's adjustable, so it's changeable. You can change your things depending on what workshop I'm giving, and I think that's great. And I want to know from you guys which things, which tools, which whatever you think is very important when giving workshops. Just let me know. So thanks for watching. I have to clean up my workshop and we see us at the next video. Bye!